An omni-channel approach that we're taking at Credital as well for cold outreach. We're specifically targeting people in the NDIS niche in Australia. We're an expert in that. We've been doing NDIS for quite some time. It's been 2 years that we've been working with NDIS brands and have helped them grow. We're doing Instagram cold outreach, we're doing email cold outreach, and we're doing LinkedIn cold outreach as well. But the finesse here is that we're doing cold outreach to brands, to those businesses, and we're doing outreach to their founders, co-founders, or their decision makers as well. So what we're doing is that we're actually engulfing them in a world where they're seeing our messages again and again. They're seeing messages from me, they're seeing messages from the company's handle as well. We're doing Instagram DMs, we're doing comments on their post as well. We're doing LinkedIn DMs, we're doing the LinkedIn email, we're doing LinkedIn outreach, we're sending them connects, sending them different messages, we're doing comments on their post on LinkedIn as well. And then the email that we're scrapping from these platforms, we're sending emails to those people as well. So again, it's an omni-channel approach that we're doing specifically for Credital. I can definitely see the results that we're getting. People are responding and they're saying that we are taking interest in their business. Yes, each and every platform and each and every message that we're doing is all customized. It's not automated at all. The sales team is sending hundreds of messages on a daily basis, and that way we can reach out to more people and then convert them in a better manner.